Okay, so let's have a look at what is new in Macanta this week. So first option, or first item is you'll now notice when you load up results from a Macanta query, you have some new icons here. Now the little I just allows you to preview the contact in that query. The result, you've always been able to edit these fields, but now, you can click on the pencil, you can then edit all of these, and when you save, then you go straight back. Here we go. Moment. When you save, it then closes that, but your search results remain there, so you don't have to load the contact in order to update the data object. So a bit of a time saver there, and fewer clicks, fewer things to load. The other one is the ability to display information on a WordPress site. Let's say you've got a membership site and you want to display information there. So we've got this data object type here. Once you've installed the plugin, you set your name and staging, API key. So your own app name and your API key, and then you can go and build a shortcode. So for this instance, I'm just going to use the Macanta installs, but it'll pull in the data objects from your app. Can go for the app name, creation date, status, first login. Let's say we go with that. That's enough. Do we want to show data attachment? Yes, if there are any. We're going to make this read only. We don't want people to be able to edit it. And we'll say, yep, show other related contacts. Then I can say generate shortcode, and that comes up here. I can then copy that. And if I go and edit a page, I can add that shortcode to the page. So let's go about all of this, and we just put the shortcode in, and I update that. Then, unless I've done it wrong, which is entirely possible, I can now go and view this page. And here you'll see it says this contact does not have connected data installs, because the contact that I'm logged in with doesn't. So let me just go and add a member with the right details. I'm going to add a new one, and this will be and let's grab the password. There, and just in case, yeah, subscribers fine. Add that. So if I now go and log out, and I go in and log in with that. If I now go and view that same page, which is this one here, now you can see that I can see quite a lot of information. So in the app, there are 12 objects that this contact has, and we can then see that with additional information, file attachment. Are there any other contacts connected to it? Yes or no? And I've got all those details there. And that's on a read-only basis. So this could be membership information, events attended, whatever it is, for your users if you run a WordPress membership site. And then, of course, you can style that as you need it to be. So that just gives you the ability to present information to people in a bit of a self-serve fashion via WordPress membership site without them having to be users in your Macanta app. It can just be contacts viewing their own information. And you do have the option to make this read write. So if it's the kind of information that you want them to update, they're able to do it from here, and that will then feed back to Macanta, trigger automation, do whatever it needs to from there. So yeah, there you go. Those are the updates for this week. Have a great week.